If you have never tried oats fufu before, then this video is a sign that it's time for you to try something new. You will love it because it's filling. Oats is full of fiber and it's an healthy choice rather than buying all this pando fufu, all those mix that are like very expensive. Especially now, I think about 1.5 kilogram of pando fufu. Pando inyo, I mean the flour for pando inyo is around 13 pound, 15 pound, depending on which area you are living. I found a real gem with the oat flour. So all you need to do is get your 1 kilogram of oats for about a pound or 90p, depending on if you go to Lidl or you go to Aldi. And then you want to get your clean jar, your clean blender. Just pour some oats inside. I'm going to be using this amount. So if you do not have a good and powerful blender, you can also just soak the oats for some minutes and then blend it with whatever type of blender that you have. But with my blender, within 5-10 seconds, I'm able to get this into flour. In order to save time, what I usually do is to buy about 2 kilograms of the rolled oats and then I grind it into powder. I don't fill up the blender at once, about half or 1/3 of the jar. It's quicker to blend. So with the powerful blender like my blender, the Optimum, within 15 seconds, I'm able to grind about 300 grams of oats into powder. And that way I repeat the process 6 times for 2 kilogram oats. Then I store the powder at home. That way, whenever I'm ready to eat oats powder, oats fufu, all I do is just get the water on the stove and then quickly add the powder. It doesn't require you to cook it for long. So currently, we have the oats. After it has been, after I've mixed with the powder, I'm steaming it for like 3 minutes, so that I'm sure it's well cooked. And then I will dish this out, and our food is ready. So you can see. Look at that. You can see. Gang, 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 gang. I really love the oat amala, oat fufu, oat heba, whichever one you want to give to it. I think I'll prefer to call it oat amala. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this and what soup you are going to be making with it.